Welcome back to Math and Words. Our mission today to find the values of x and y that satisfy both equations simultaneously. Step 1, just isolate one variable. Let's focus on the second equation. 2y minus x equals to negative 19. We can rearrange this to solve for x, giving us x equals to 2i plus 19. Now, on to step 2. We substitute the expression we just found for x into the first equation. This gives us a new equation. 3 open a parentheses, 2y plus 19. Close the parentheses plus 4y equals to negative 23. Step 3 is where the action really happens. We distribute the 3, so 6y plus 57 plus 4y equals to 23, and combine like terms, leading us to 10y plus 57 equals to negative 23. Subtracting 57 from both sides gets us 10y equals to negative 80. Divide both sides of the equation by 10, and we find that y equals to negative 8. We're halfway there. With y in our pocket, step 4 is all about finding x. Substituting negative 8 for y in the expression x equals to 2y plus 19, we calculate x to the 3. And there you have it. We've just solved a system of equations step by step, finding that x equals to 3 and y equals to negative 8. Enjoyed this walkthrough? Give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more math questions.